Okay, so I don't know what this is. It's on this 8-port air raid siren. So this has. So pause this video to read what this is. Just read it to me in the comments. Okay. So you might have no idea what this is. Don't know what this is. And then, so you're gonna have to flip your camera upside down to read it. Okay. So how this works? This is like.
That's your power source.
This is your power source, which is connected to a plug all the way through here. Then up here travels up to a new wire. It's connected to this. Then this like powers it right here, or sending a signal to that wire creates the amp set of the propeller. So allowing this in the propeller. So this is 3D printed. This is how it powers. It's connected to this. This. Okay. It's on all the way.
No, it's not all the way.
Okay, so here's a volume warning. And before I set this off, your mic will want to get some ear protection on because this gets pretty loud for your ears.
Come on, man.
Don't
sound that sucker again.
Here's a few growls. It's an 8-port air raid siren. You can see. So this is what has the power is. So this meeting is disconnected with screws. So if you have one, you're screwing the ports in, you have to be really careful because the 3D plastic can break. So it's 8 ports, as you can see. We could build this with an AR timer. So if we set this, well, if we set an alert off, we can set it to like a 3-minute alert cycle. Then you can stop it whenever you want if you want to do an attack. That screw in the middle that like causes to like that it like spins around so it causes the propeller. Well, it screws in the propeller, but it makes it spin. This is all 3D printed. See? So you can spin the propeller by hand. can spin it the opposite way. It could get louder. Okay, good. So that's all for today's video. Just discussing the siren. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.